So this one, when it arrived separately, like 3 different boxes, like probably 3 different days. So when it arrived, this case right here, it kind of busted open. So hopefully there's no missing parts. We'll see how it goes. It's in the morning. Kids already out here. We done assembled it like last night, probably around 8 o'clock. It's kind of cold out too in the morning. Yeah, you guys already out here jumping 8 in the morning, huh? Didn't even bother looking for the eggs. The Easter morning. Yeah, no, I think it was out 7. So here it is. Wow, it's not fully assembled yet. It's 95% complete. Just need to tie down the enclosure net there at the bottom and then anchor it down. So that's about it. What do you think? Enjoy it?
I love it.
You love it. Good. Oh, doing tricks already. Took us about what, 4.5 hours to assemble. Last night.
Wait, 45 hours? What?
4.5.
45.
So, good.
Almost 2 days.
Thumbs up. Yes.
It's the best thing ever.
Okay. Good. You'll be out here more often then, right?
Yes. Instead of playing video games. Nah.
All right. Good purchase for the kids.
Maybe.